Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Daini, working in AIMS New Delhi. So let's move to the questions of the day. First question is normal duration of PR interval. So PR interval, that's the duration from the starting of P wave to the start of QRS complex. Okay, so that shows the conduction through the AV node of the conduction system. Okay, so an impulse that is formed from the SA node travels through the internodal tracks and it reaches the AV node. And in the AV node, there is a small delay and then it is conducted to the bundle of His. So the time taken from the onset of P wave to the start of QRS complex, that is PR interval. So the normal PR interval is 0.12 to 20 seconds or 3 to 5 squares, and when the PR interval is more than 5 squares, then we call it as first degree heart block. Okay. Second question, characteristic of specialized cardiac cells to spontaneously initiate an electrical impulse without being stimulated from another source, that is known as automaticity. So all the cells of the heart have a specific function to produce an impulse. The SA node is the pacemaker of the heart, and that produces impulse at the rate of 60 to 100 beats per minute. And when the SA node stops giving impulse, then AV node takes over. And when AV node also is not working, then the bundle of His or the lower tracks will take. And when there is no contraction or no electrical impulse from any of the areas, then the ventricles will produce impulse by themselves, but that is at a very low rate. So that characteristic is known as automaticity. Third question, medication that has a positive chronotropic effect by accelerating the SA node discharge rate and blocking the vagus nerve. So chronotropism means that is related to heart rate, and positive chronotropic effect means that increases the heart rate by accelerating the SA node discharge rate. So vagus nerve, that is a part of parasympathetic system. So parasympathetic system always reduces the heart rate and sympathetic system increases the heart rate. So the question is the medication that has a positive chronotropic effect by accelerating the SA node discharge rate and blocking the vagus nerve, that is atropine. Fourth question, in second degree AV block type 1, what is the pattern of PR interval noted? So there are different types of heart blocks. We'll study it later. So in first degree heart block, as I've already discussed, there is PR interval is prolonged. It is more than 200 milliseconds or 0.20 seconds, and that is type 1 heart block. And in second degree AV block type 1, what happens is there is progressive prolongation of the PR interval till one QRS complex is missed. Okay, so there is progressive prolongation of PR interval in second degree AV block type 1. Fifth question, the type of AV block that is characterized by regular PP interval, regular RR interval, and a PR interval with no consistent value or pattern. Okay, here the question is the PP interval is regular, RR interval is regular, but the PR interval is having no consistent pattern. That means atria is contracting in its own way and ventricle is contracting in its own way, but there is no synchrony between atria and ventricle. That's why the PR interval is having different patterns or different durations. So what is that type of AV block known as? That is complete AV block. In complete AV block, there is complete dissociation between atria and ventricles and there is no synchrony. Okay, so in order to bring synchrony, we implant pacemakers in this type of patients. Okay, so that is about all the questions for the day. We'll meet again tomorrow with new questions. Thank you so much. Stay tuned with me by subscribing my channel for more updates as well as more questions. Thank you.